If you hire people as an HR leader, recruiter, hiring manager, CTO, or CEO, you already know the bottleneck. Great candidates apply. Your team spends days sorting resumes before anyone talks to them. Recruit.win is the AI hiring workspace built for that problem. One place to post roles, rank applicants, run consistent voice screens, and move the right people to offer without losing human judgment. Recruiters clear the pile faster. Hiring managers get shortlists they can trust. HR keeps the process consistent. Leaders get speed without chaos. That is who Recruit.win serves. Upload a batch of resumes. In minutes, you see a ranked shortlist, scored against your job, with clear reasons your team can defend in a debrief. Then invite candidates to the same phone-style AI screen in 50+ languages on a schedule that works for them. Transcripts and structured scores land back in your pipeline. You stay in control. Approval gates, audit trails, and the final hire decision always sit with your people, not a black box. Ready to hire with less sorting and more deciding? Start free at recruit.win/register. No credit card required.